In this tutorial, I'll show you how to resize table columns in Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to adjust column widths to create cleaner, more organized tables that are easier to read. First, open the Confluence page containing the table you want to edit and click Edit to enter editing mode. Once you're in the editor, locate the table you want to resize. Next, move your mouse over the border between two columns. When you hover over the column divider, your cursor will change into a double-sided resize arrow. Click and hold the column border, then drag it to the left or right to adjust the width. Dragging to the right makes the column wider, while dragging to the left makes it narrower. As you drag, Confluence updates the column size in real time so you can immediately see the results. Repeat the same process for any other columns until your table is arranged the way you want. If a column won't shrink any further, check whether it contains large images, long text, or other content that requires additional space. After resizing your table, review the layout to make sure all of your content is displayed clearly and is easy to read. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Publish or Update to save your page. And that's how to resize table columns in Confluence. Thanks for watching.